Hey there, and welcome to 𝐻𝐸. If you're looking for new and creative ways to make money, you're in the right place. Forget the typical get a second job or start a blog advice. You're about to discover 10 unique, realistic, and fun ways to start earning extra cash. And make sure to stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus tip that can potentially double your income. Now let's jump right in. Number 1. Sell AI-generated art and graphics. AI is changing the game. You don't need to be an artist to make money with AI-generated art and designs. Use tools like Midjourney, DALLE, or Canva AI to create stunning artwork. Then sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Fiverr. And guess what? You can even sell digital stickers, book covers, social media templates, and more. Digital products mean passive income. Create once, sell forever. Number 2. Get paid to write emails. Did you know that businesses pay anywhere from $50 to $500 per email? That's right. Email marketing is super profitable, and companies are always looking for good copywriters. If you enjoy writing, learn some basic copywriting skills, help brands craft engaging emails, and sell your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. You can even offer packages for weekly email sequences and retain clients. Number 3. Become an online tutor in unusual subjects. Tutoring isn't just for math or science. If you have any skill, whether it's playing chess, video editing, speaking another language, or even social media strategies, people will pay to learn from you. Websites like Preply, 𝐌𝐸𝐧𝐞𝐲𝐌𝐚𝐭, and OutSchool let you teach almost anything, and some tutors make up to $100 an hour. Number 4. Rent out your stuff. Got a camera, bike, or even an extra parking space? Instead of letting it sit unused, rent it out. Use sites like Fat Llama to rent out your tech gear, Turo to rent out your car, or Neighbor to rent out storage space. This is a great way to make money without selling anything. Number 5. Sell your voice online. Ever been told you have a good voice? You can make money with voiceovers. Websites like voices.com, ACX for audiobooks, and Fiverr let you offer voiceover services. And you don't need an expensive mic. Many beginners start with a simple USB microphone and a quiet room. Number 6. Start a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Faceless YouTube channels make thousands of dollars from ad revenue and sponsorships. Use stock footage, AI-generated voices, or animations to create content in niches like tech reviews, finance, or storytelling. The best part? Once a video takes off, it keeps making money forever. Number 7. Create and sell digital planners. People love staying organized, and that's why digital planners are in high demand. Use Canva to design planners for fitness, budgeting, business, or daily productivity, and sell them as PDFs on Etsy or Gumroad. It's a set-it-and-forget-it business model. Number 8. Flip free items for profit. People are giving away valuable items every day on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and FreeCycle. Grab free furniture, bikes, or electronics, fix them up, and resell them for a profit. A simple coat of paint or cleaning can turn trash into cash. Number 9. Get paid for your opinions. Companies will pay for your opinions. Sign up for platforms like User Testing, Respondent, or Toluna, where you can test websites, answer surveys, or review products. Some tests pay $10 to $100 each, and they take just a few minutes to complete. Number 10. License your photos and videos. If you love taking pictures or videos, turn them into cash. Upload your best shots to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images, and earn every time someone downloads them. Simple, everyday photos, like food, travel, or cityscapes, sell surprisingly well. Bonus tip: AI automation services. Here's the big money maker: AI automation services. Businesses are desperate to save time, and you can help them by automating tasks using AI tools. Learn how to set up chatbots, auto-reply systems, and content generators using ChatGPT, Zapier, and Notion AI, and charge premium prices. There you have it, 10 creative ways to make money. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new money-making tip. See you in the next video.